But it's the Uttarakhand where media glare is today because the Prime Minister is visiting Kedarnath. Doors are open of the shrine after the winter break. The Prime Minister was greeted by the Uttarakhand top brass at the Jolly Grant Airport in Dehradun. There is intense security preparations which have taken place at Kedarnath. Yesterday we had the Uttarakhand Tourism Minister also going there and reviewing the arrangements. Preparations underway. The Prime Minister will be the first visitor after the door of the shrine is open post the winter break. He'll be performing Rudra Abhishekam at the shrine. Supriya joining us for more details. Supriya, take us through the arrangements in place and how the supporters of the Prime Minister has gathered to catch a glimpse of him.
Is really charging. The people are chanting Har Har Bole, and you can see there are these local people who are performing and they were singing the local songs, and the kapats of Kedarnath are all set to open. What has happened just now is that the Purvi Dwar, which is the door facing sun, has opened. A puja is being performed inside around 8:50. The main kapats will be open. Prime Minister will be present here for at least 20 minutes. He will be performing the Rudra Abhishek. Now you can see behind this where these satellites are and these JVC machines are standing there. The makeshift that helipad has been made where Prime Minister is going to land, and then there is this room which has been created specially for him where he can rest for a while, and then he'll head from this very route and will enter the Kedarnath shrine from the east door. There the security is really very high, and at the same time, Debina, after performing the puja here for 20 minutes, then the Prime Minister is expected to come and meet the devotees who are already present here in large number. We have seen as to how the BJP supporters are also present, but the atmosphere here is really charged up, and what we can say is that Prime Minister is going to stay in this entire Kedar Valley for at least 1 hour. The security arrangements are there. You can see over on even on the old route of Kedarnath, the security is standing, and for at least 2 hours after Prime Minister leaves from here for Rishikesh, it will be a no-fly zone. The big news coming from here at the moment from Kedarnath is this, that once Prime Minister leaves, then they will be starting what is called as the helicopter sevana. You can see that the kapats have been opened, Debina. The Kedarnath temple shrine's kapat has been opened. It is a very auspicious occasion for the people here. And after 6 months, the Prime Minister, the Kedar Baba, as they call him here, the Lord Shiva, is going to come back into this way temple. When the floods had struck and the natural calamity in 2013 took place, this temple was the only building which was left here. Rest everything was completely destroyed. Now, interestingly, you can see that they will be bringing Kedar Baba from the Doli of Kedar Baba to this temple. Kamau Regiment, 6th Kamau Regiment is present here, and you can see again the cultural ministry has organized various events. The locals are going to perform the songs and they're going to dance over here, and at the same time they are also really charged up that the Prime Minister will be present here and performing the first puja in Kedarnath Dham. So really a charged up atmosphere. You can see how they're performing here. The people are dancing and at the same time also hoping that they will also be able to meet not just Kedar Baba but even the Prime Minister himself.